Hello friends, today we'll solve this question. It is forwarded by one of my friend, and this is about the survey data of a company of 485 employees and about the job satisfaction and the three motivations for working hard. Okay, and we are finding the variables. These are the variables: job satisfaction, the three motivations, and other variables. Okay, and their definitions and the summary statistics. So these are your summary statistics and these are the definitions. So job satisfaction is measured over a scale of 1 to 7, 7 being the highest and 1 being the lowest. And similarly, the other three motivations are also being measured in the scale of 1 to 7, 1 to 7, 1 to 7. And there are two binary variables, male and full time. So 0 is for women and 1 is for male, and full time 0 is for not full time, and if the employee is not working full time then it is 1. Okay, and age is measured in terms of years, and you can find the mean value and standard deviation, and the minimum value is 1, maximum for 7 for this job satisfaction and the three motivations. And for binary, this is 0 is the minimum value, 1 is the maximum, and age is from 18 to 63 there. Okay, and the question is a that how many sampled employees are women. Okay, so it is about employees, and employee 485 is the total number, and out of this male plus female are there, right? Female employees. So let's solve this one. So the corresponding corresponding row will be this one. Okay, and you can see 0 is for woman, 1 is for man. So you can see this is the corresponding row for answering this question. And so it is about women. Okay, we are not given any woman value, women value, female value. Okay, we are only given that 0 is the value if the employee is woman, and 1 is the value that if that is a man. Okay, so we know that the mean value, that is any mean value, will be equal to the summation of xi value divided by the number of observations, right? So we have already given the x bar, that is equal to 0.53. Okay, look at this point. So this is 0.53 and we have been given the n, we have been given the n equal to 485, right? Okay, so what we're trying to see is we're actually trying to find out the summation of xi. Summation of xi, we don't know that. And what is summation of xi? That is the value of the total male, because the values for male and female in the survey will be 0, 1, 1, 0, like the wise. Okay, so these zeros, when you add up, these are actually, you are not adding this, you will be ending up with this the male values, right? So all these totals we are searching for that. So if we get the summation of xi value, that is the total male. Okay, total number of men in the sample, and then we deduct that value from 485 to get the uh, summation of xi value. When you deduct, then you get the female employee number. Okay, so that's the first question. Okay, so let's solve this one. So 0.86, 0.8, sorry, not 0.86, that will be 0.53 into 485. Okay, so that will be 257. Okay, this is total men in the main employees, and then deduct this from 485, the total number of employees, to find out the number of females. Okay, okay, I should do this here. 0.53 into 485 will be equal to 257. That is total male employees, and 485 minus 257 is equal to 228. That is total female employees. Okay, so we have solved this first question, and then the second question, that is about how many of the sampled employees work full time. So the corresponding row will be this one. Okay, right. So this is similar question, but the only difference is that you can straight away multiply this with the 485. You don't have to deduct this from 485. Okay. Okay, so that will be 0.86 into 485, and you get 417 employees who are working full time. Okay. Okay. Then the next question is that is about calculate the 95% confidence interval. 95% confidence interval for job satisfaction. Okay, so the corresponding one will be this one, job satisfaction. Okay, the mean, standard deviation, mean, minimum value, and a maximum value is given. So how you are going to solve it? You are going to solve it using the G score. Okay, so 95% confidence interval value will be 1.96. Okay, and then we are going to calculate this one. So your confidence, 95% confidence interval, is equal to x bar plus minus z score for 95% confidence, that is G score, and times the standard deviation divided by root over of n. Okay, n is a sample. So x bar is here 5.12. Okay, that is the job satisfaction mean. Okay, 5.12 plus minus 1.96, and standard deviation is 1.61, and 485 root over divided by root over of 485. So you are getting the value 5.12 plus minus 0.143. This term is 0.143, and you are getting this 4.977 to 5.263. Okay, so your confidence interval is lying in between 4.977 to 5.263. Now we got to see what is the question, that what is this confidence interval tell you about the average level of job satisfaction in the population of employees at this company. So already we know that the average level of job satisfaction is 5.12, and this is lying in between the confidence interval that we have calculated. So this is the regression estimate that we got, 5.12, and that is lying within this confidence interval. Okay, so this pretty much gave out the precise result, right? Okay, so for this today, this is for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.